What's up, everyone? Today I want to do something a little bit different. I'm just kind of at my desk recording this, trying to get this done and out before tomorrow. I was just on vacation and a lot of crazy things went down with AMC stock while I was over there. So I'm going to touch on all that as well as my input and opinions on what's going to happen this next coming week. And by no means am I a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you personally my investments into AMC and how much money I've made with AMC thus far. And just based on doing a lot of research and reading and watching other people who are much, much smarter than me talk about the situation with AMC right now, where I'm kind of giving you that information in a way without all the technical details and whatnot. But if you want to go watch them, Matt Core's Trade Trades, some really great info about the stock. But without further ado, let's just get into the money I've made and how I think you guys still can too. So I was told to get into AMC early on, and around the $11 mark, I bought like $40,000 worth of AMC stock through a mutual friend who will rename nameless because I don't know if he wants to be named. But he told me, yo, pick up some AMC stock right now. What's happening with AMC is what happened to GameStop at the beginning of the year. As many of you guys may or may not know, GameStop went through this massive short squeeze because of all these hedge funds shorting the stock. And ultimately, retail investors catching on and shooting that stock way up. People made a lot of money. That same basically thing is happening right now with AMC. It's just an extremely short stock, and you're dealing with a lot of things called naked shares and whatnot. Anyways, you've seen a crazy increase in price within just the last, I think, month alone. I bought in at around $11.50, maybe a little bit less. Put in about 40,000. Currently, at one point, was up like $225,000 when the stock hit around that $70 mark, middle of the week. But currently, I have 3,450 shares with an average cost of $13. I ended up buying more when the stock was around $40. I think right here at 43 when it dipped back down. So the market value of my position is 150,000. I'm up. Off of these numbers, I'm up over $100,000. I've already taken out my initial investment plus a little extra. I pulled out 55,000, which was my $40,000 investment plus a little $15,000 plus gain. I just pulled that out, sent it to my bank, so that way I was just made sure I locked in, my initial investment, and now I'm just playing with their money, and I can continue to buy more if I want to, if I see a big dip or whatever. But now I'm playing with, essentially their money. I'm up. I've retained my investment. I'm not going to lose anything, but I'm just holding until this squeeze continues. Because if you look at all the data right now, and like I said, I listen to people and read onto people who are much, much smarter than I am. The numbers don't lie, and there are still so many shares shorts that have not been, short positions that have not been covered yet, and they will need to be covered. And when they are covered, you'll see a tremendous spike. So we ended the week down, but again, I think that's about to take off here this next week. It's cool. I've gotten a lot of DMs from people because early on, I was telling people in my Instagram story, I said, buy AMC, buy AMC, buy AMC. Around when it was like $11, $13, even $15. I got my brother to buy in around $13. He's up a couple $1,000s right now because he was able to put in what he put in. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm just kind of giving you insight into where I'm at right now and kind of where this thing can go. There's still opportunity for money to be made here. So if that's something you're into, looking into diversifying your portfolio, taking a risk and going this route, like I made a video, probably like a month back, just talking about my investments. And one of the investments that I talked about from, the different businesses and houses and properties I own is also stocks and investing in stocks. And one of the ones I talked about, the main one, was AMC. And here we are, up over $100,000 in profit. And it's crazy what's happening right now with how interconnected just everyone is through, Reddit, Twitter, social media, YouTube, and the retail investor is able to kind of finally come together and team up and control the market a little bit in a way that was never really existed before. So pretty crazy what's going on. Just wanted to inform you guys what's going on. This is how, I'm up over 100,000, was over 200,000 at one point, and I think this thing still has plenty of legs to grow. Again, based on the data, go look at Matt Core's. There's one other guy, Tom Vazzalo or something like that. I probably butchered that. Trades, but watch all their videos. They really break down the technical elements of all the data. I don't know anything about that. I just read, do my research, and kind of make informed decisions based off of what other knowledgeable people are saying in this space. So yeah, as you guys know, this channel, yes, it's about filmmaking, but it's about so much more, and it's about diversifying your portfolio and really trying to set up a stable financial future for yourself in the future, so you can also just work on whatever project it is you want to work on, and you say no to projects and just like be able to kind of control your own destiny. And part of that is diversifying everything you do and not being stuck into doing one thing. And so stocks is something I've gotten into recently, and my account is doing pretty well. As you can see here, pretty much, I'm green in everything right now. So I have AMC, Apple, Planetary Technologies, Iron Mountain, BlackBerry, and Naked. And so all of those I'm currently up right now. That's what I'm invested into. Again, this is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor or expert. I'm just showing you guys what I'm currently investing into and what I'm doing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.